Okay.
Yun ang effort namin.
No, my response for that is I appreciate it so much. It
Wala siya,
means
umiyak siya.
a lot to me. Thank you.
You're welcome. Siyempre. Ano ka ba?
It looks like Mother's Day. Not my birthday. um I'm sorry if you know.
I'm OA. Joke lang.
No, I'm sorry if
Non-gift.
sakaling. No, that's not a gift. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I wanna ask forgiveness from you guys. If ever, um, may mga nagawa kong kasalanan sa inyo. Like that.
May nakalimutan pa akong sabihin sa ano ko.
Saan?
Sa letter ko. I'm still jealous of your whiteness.
You're jealous of me being fair skin?
Yan lang.
It's okay. But I love your skin. Kung pwede lang tayong magpalit.
No,
Pwede
my
ba?
skin is beautiful.
Oops. Yun yung isa.
White.
Chicken pox.
Okay.
And I wanna thank God. Kasi for your life, the two of you, the three of you, the four of you.
Ano nga? Oh, ano? Tuloy mo.
I'm just thankful because mga sweet kayo and I thank you for the love you're showing to me.
Siyempre, ano ka ba? You're so warm.
So warm?
Yes. You keep this forever, ah?
Oh my. Oh, let's put it on a frame.
Yes.
Okay. Kiss mama. Uy. One more. Sabay ah.
1, 2, 3.
Uy.